If you've ever white-knuckled a night drive, this one's for you. If you've ever white-knuckled a night drive, this one's for you. Today, I'm breaking down BMW's laser headlights and the safety tech that backs them up, and why it matters for your eyes. Today, I'm breaking down BMW's laser headlights and the safety tech that backs them up, and why it matters for your reaction time. Today, I'm breaking down BMW's laser headlights and the safety tech that backs them up, and why it matters for everyone sharing the road. Let's start with the headline, BMW Laserlight. Think of it as a precision spotlight that only turns on the extra when you need it. The core beam is LED for everyday driving, but when it's dark and conditions allow, a laser module fires into a phosphor element. That creates an insanely bright, pure white high beam, projecting up to around 600 meters ahead. What that means for you, you see hazards earlier, curves, debris, wildlife, so you react sooner. Your eyes strain less because the color is close to daylight. You're not that person blinding oncoming traffic. The system shapes the light and carves out other vehicles with a glare-free high beam. It's also smart. The beam adapts as you drive, wider in the city. It's also smart. The beam adapts as you drive, longer on empty highways. It's also smart. The beam adapts as you drive, tighter in rain to cut scatter. Cornering, it sweeps into the bend. Cresting a hill, it trims the light to avoid flare. Benefits go beyond brightness. Efficiency, more light per watt than traditional high beams. Benefits go beyond brightness. Durability, solid-state components, sealed housings, and active cooling for long life. Quick reality check. Not every BMW has Laserlight. Laws differ by country, especially around adaptive high beams. If you're shopping, look for BMW Laser on the headlamp or confirm the lighting package for your region and model year. Now, the safety stack around those lights. BMW's driver assistance suite is like a co-pilot that never blinks. Cameras, radar, road, traffic, lane markings. Here are the wins you'll actually feel. Active cruise with stop and go. Set your speed and gap. It brakes to a stop in traffic and pulls away smoothly. Steering and lane keeping assist. Gentle support to keep you centered and confident. Blind spot and rear cross traffic alerts. The car watches where you can't, pinging you before a lane change. Front collision, warning with automatic emergency braking. Detects cars, detects cyclists, detects pedestrians. Traffic jam assist. Low-speed lane centering for those crawl-to-a-halt commutes. Night vision, on some models, infrared highlights. Warm-bodied hazards like animals before your eyes would catch them. Parking assistant and surround view. The car can steer into a space, visualize curves, and remember tricky maneuvers. How to get the most from it. Turn on automatic high beam. Let the car manage glare for you. In the driver assist menu, enable the features you want and set sensible following distances. Keep your windshield and sensors clean. Dirty glass can blunt camera performance. Update your iDrive software. Improvements roll out over time. Bottom line, Laserlight helps you see sooner and clearer, and the safety systems buy you precious seconds when seconds count. More confidence at night, less stress in traffic, fewer close calls. Those are the real-world upgrades. If you drive a lot after dark or in mixed conditions, this tech isn't just cool, it's a quality of life upgrade. Thanks for watching. If you want a deeper dive into availability by model and region, drop a comment with your car. If you want a deeper dive into availability by model and region, drop a comment with your year and I'll break it down.